Welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market this week with a budget of $2,500 and we're going to see what we can get in the market. Let's go shopping. Richard, how are you?
Fine.
Can you tell me what market produce are up and down this week?
Well, market nice now, you know. It's a price and reasonable and fair. I'm gonna like certain type of rare vegetable you find a little price. But otherwise on that market nice. People can come down and shop and enjoy themselves and get them fruits and vegetables at a reasonable price.
Is anything down this week?
Things are go down, man. Cabbage are go down. Irish I go down, like onion and certain little things. Whole little things prices are changing in the market based on the fact that more food coming at the market.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.